Let's learn common phrases. You are the apple of my eye.
This means a very precious and favorite person. Now, you repeat the phrase.
Some people should stay in their homes only.
That was a low blow to me.
This means to be insulted. Now, you repeat the phrase.
Today we have profit of 10,000 rupees.
That's not enough. You are a bottomless pit of desire.
This means very greedy. Now, you repeat the phrase. Should we have pizza or pasta tonight?
This means you decide. It leaves the final choice completely to the other person. Repeat. It's up to you.
Spill the beans means to share the secret of someone.
To spill the beans, now you try. Say, spill the beans.
Did you eat all the food? Why are you barking up the wrong tree? This means accusing the innocent. Now, you repeat the phrase.
Wow, you are looking drop-dead gorgeous.
This means extremely beautiful. Now, you repeat the phrase. Turn over a new leaf. This means to start a new life. Now, you repeat the phrase.
Hello, students! Read the following questions and try to say answer by yourself. Also, write in the comment box. It's quiz time! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 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 Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.